Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage an hourly team with ClickUp using the upgraded timesheets feature. Whether you work at an agency handling multiple clients, manage an in-house team, or simply want accurate and compliant time tracking, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your ClickUp account and head over to the timesheets section from the sidebar. Once you're there, you'll see track time organized by tasks and clients. Make sure to follow along closely here, because this is where all hourly tracking and approvals begin. When you hover over any specific day, ClickUp shows a detailed breakdown of billable hours, non-billable hours, and even the remaining capacity for that day, which is extremely helpful for workload planning. Next, let's add a new time entry. Click on a day and attach a task, such as an email campaign for a client. You can track time directly inside the timesheet or open the task itself and start the timer there. In the time entry, you can add notes, mark the time as billable or non-billable, and everything stays perfectly synced no matter where you update it. It's simple and very flexible. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure tasks are assigned correctly, clients are set up, and your team understands when to mark time as billable. This helps avoid confusion later and keeps reports clean and accurate. Doing this early can save hours of corrections down the line. Once your timesheet is complete, submit it for approval. After submitting, you'll be notified about the approval status. If a manager requests changes, the timesheet will be sent back so you can update it quickly without starting over. After that, everything stays organized and transparent. Now, from the administrator side, open the Approvals tab to review submitted timesheets. You can approve entries instantly or request revisions if something looks off. As an admin, you can also set submission deadlines, enable automatic reminders, and manage approvers to keep the process moving smoothly. For even better insights, add timesheet widgets to your dashboards to see exactly how your team spends time across clients and projects. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to manage an hourly team with ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be managing hourly teams too. Why not make someone's day easier?